Running Windows without activation? You probably think personalization is off limits. But here's the secret. You can toggle between any of these themes here. No registry edits, no PowerShell, no command hacks. Let's start with the pain point. In an unactivated Windows install, most personalization settings are blocked. You'll see a grayed out menu, a watermark telling you to activate, and no way to change your wallpaper or colours the normal way. But there's a loophole. Windows theme files, those .theme files, still work, and we're going to use them to skip the user interface entirely. Now let's change this theme. Head over to your C drive, Windows, Resources, Themes. Here's the trick. Double-click any one of these .theme files and it will change it to one of these themes shown here. Want to take it further? Just right-click and pin this folder to your Start menu for an easy theme change later. If this quick tutorial helped you out, throw it a like and subscribe for more.